Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Allegro Combs set available. The Allegro Combs 420 Barber Comb Set for haircutting and styling. Whether you're a professional barber, hairstylist, or someone who likes to keep their hair game sharp at home, this set promises to deliver precision, durability, and versatility. The Allegro Combs 420 set includes 6 pocket-sized combs, each designed with the professional in mind. These combs measure approximately 7 inches in length, making them the perfect size for both men's and women's hair. What really sets these apart is the material. They're crafted from nitrile butadiene rubber, or NBR. This means you get combs that combine just the right amount of rigidity with flexibility, ensuring they hold up under the rigors of daily use while still being gentle on the hair. One standout feature is how these combs interact with disinfectants and styling products. Unlike many combs that might absorb liquids or fade in color when exposed to solutions like barbicide, the Allegro 420 combs do not absorb sterilizing solutions, oils, or shampoos. This makes them highly hygienic and suitable for both wet and dry haircutting and styling. Their colors stay vibrant and intact, even after repeated disinfecting, which is a big plus for barbers and salons focused on cleanliness and professionalism. The design itself is classic but thoughtfully crafted. Each comb features a traditional barber style, with a square back for a secure grip and a built-in ruler on one side, allowing for precise measurements during haircuts. This ruler is incredibly useful for barbers and stylists aiming for consistent and accurate trims, especially when working on complex styles or fades. Versatility is key with this set. You get combs with both fine and wide teeth, making them suitable for a variety of hair textures and cutting techniques. Whether you're performing clipper over comb, layering, blending, or simply styling, these combs handle it all with ease. They're ideal for all hair types, from thick and curly to fine and straight, making them an essential tool in any stylist's kit. Another important aspect to mention is that these combs are made in the USA by a small business brand, reflecting a commitment to quality and craftsmanship. The teeth are perfectly matched to prevent hair drag, split ends, or scratching of the scalp. This attention to detail helps deliver a smooth, professional experience every time. With 6 combs per pack, you have a great variety of colors, black, red, and white, which not only add a bit of personality to your tools but also help you organize and differentiate between combs easily during busy sessions. Plus, the compact pocket size means they're easy to carry around or keep on hand for quick touch-ups. Overall, the Allegro Combs 420 Barber Comb Set is a smart investment for anyone serious about haircutting and styling. They combine durability, precision, and style into a reliable set that's suitable for professionals and enthusiasts alike. If you want to elevate your haircutting game with combs that are trusted worldwide and built to last, this is definitely a set to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.